Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable the automatic call recording on any of the Android phone, even if your phone does not support it by default. So you can just go over and follow up these steps for that. Open up the phone or the dialer application for that on your device. So go ahead and access your phone application first. And then once you access your phone application, look out for the three dots menu in the top right corner and select it. And go ahead and select the option of settings from the given menu. After that, you will be taken to this section right here. So you can look out for record calls option directly. So tap on call recording, record calls, etc. and tap on it. And that should take you to the space right here. And you need to just go up and enable the option call record calls automatically. So tap on this toggle option and that should toggle the option. You can even see your recorded calls in this section. Once you turn it on, you can also tap on auto record calls and you can just go and select if you want to auto record calls with unsaved numbers or with specific numbers and just go over and make the changes. This is the easiest way, but not all the applications or not all the phones or the reasons had this feature or support this feature. You can even um, take your location, like you can ensure where you want to keep it. You can tap on the storage location, and when you tap on it, you can select whether you want to keep it in internal storage or SD card, and that is how you basically keep your recorded calls. This is one of the way possible, or there are different kind of other applications that should let you do so. You can just go and install one of them. For that, you can go to Play Store, and within Play Store, you can go to the search and download recorder calls, for example, Cube ACR. And once you find it up, you can just go over and download this record application right here, and that should uh, do so. You can turn on the automatic call recording from this application right here, and that should allow you to record calls. So that is it. Those are the steps you can follow up if you want to enable the auto record calls. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.